Put a finger down, Therian edition. Put a finger down if you've ever had a mental shift. Put a finger down if you own a tail and or a mask. Put a finger down if you do or have ever done quadrobics. Put a finger down if you've ever had a phantom shift so intense you could have sworn it was real. Put a finger down if you've ever accidentally done vocals when you didn't mean to. Put a finger down if you have a friend or a partner who is also a Therian or an otherkin. Put a finger down if you have a nocturnal stereotype and you're a night owl. Put a finger down if you've ever worn gear in public. Put a finger down if you have an unusual or an uncommon stereotype. And lastly, put a finger down if you've ever made artwork or had artwork commissioned of your stereotype.